Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add HTML code to your Shopify store. Whether we want to embed custom features, add scripts, or make design tweaks, using HTML gives us more control over our store. Let's go through it step by step. On the Shopify dashboard, the first thing we need to do is click on Online Store. Once it loads, we just need to click on the theme, and we will be taken to the Edit Theme page. Here, we have a sample of code that is ready to use. We just need to copy it. Now, if we want to add our code to the Shopify store, we need to select where we want to place it. For example, in the header, scroll down to the right section, and we can see there is a custom CSS section. We can paste our code here. As we can see, if there are any errors, they will show up. If we want to remove it, just delete it and add a code that works instead. If we want to add it to the footer, just click on Footer and then scroll down to the CSS section and insert it there. We can also access the code by clicking the three dots and then clicking Edit Code. This takes us to the Developer Code area where we can add more advanced code. This option may vary depending on the store. Once we are here, we just need to place our code where we want it and then paste it in. When we are done, just click Save. With a few simple changes, we can improve our store's design and functionality.